This is my laptop and I'm using LAN cable. Okay, right now my LAN cable, okay, the speed only 100 megabit per second. So now I go network. Okay, let's check and see. Okay, network and sharing. Here is the Ethernet. Then you can see here is 100 megabit per second. So if I want to upgrade it to 1 gigabit, so what I'm going to do is I buy this USB to LAN, USB 3 to LAN, 1 GB, 1 GPS. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I get one of this USB 3.0 to Gigabit LAN. So, and this is USB. USB is the USB port for 3.0 is blue color. So you must looking for the blue color port, USB port. So I unplug this one first. Okay. Then this is the blue color. So you plug in here. Then it auto detect. Okay. And the LAN cable I connected to it. Okay, let's check and see. Is it go to 1 gigabit per second? Yeah, same thing. You go to control panel. Then go to the network and sharing center. Ethernet 1. Yes, now it's 1 gigabit per second. So don't need to do anything. It will automatically update the driver.